What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. We are on our way back to Florida. So I was in Miami weekend before last. Now I'm headed to Orlando, gonna hang with some friends, go to EDC, have a lot of fun. Right now, just putting the bag in the whip. It's 5:50 a.m. Just got my mom off to the airport. Now I'm about to get myself to an airport. And I'll get with y'all, man. It's gonna be a good time. Motherfucking YouTube, man. I got some fucking schmutz on my goddamn. What up? Alright, yeah, man. We're in Orlando, Florida, right now.
On level 1. Well, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. If you're a resident, welcome home. You're one of our nearly 7 million visitors. Welcome to the city. Here, imagination becomes reality. Big rocks and crowds.
Now, that's not always been the case. Actually, my last job in council, I felt confident, and I was surprised. Point being, people will be left out. And
get it! God, I'm so excited. Guys, I literally just got goosebumps all over my legs. I just shaved. Fuck!
Oh! Uh-oh. I'll take that. Oh, wait a minute. We might even be in there. Yeah.
I heard that.